everyone, this is the Snow Valley Resorts located in the log huts area of Manali. In this video, I'll show you the entire resort including the room we had booked. This is the beautiful reception area of this resort. After the long but charmingly enjoyable Shimla to Manali road trip, we reached Manali at 8 p.m. and checked into this resort which we had booked through Make My Trip. You can watch my Shimla to Manali road trip in my previous video. This resort is located just 2 km away from Mall Road, Manali. Let's have a tour of this beautiful resort. This resort is surrounded with natural charm. Look at those beautiful pine trees. You will have to stop and admire the beautiful paintings on the walls. The staffs have maintained the resort pretty well. Wherever I laid my eyes, it was all beauty around. I fell in love with the beautiful terrace. Those mountains, pine trees. Wish I could visit here often. Those mountains get snow-capped during winter, and we had visited during the month of March. Now let's go to that area. Could not stop myself from admiring its beauty again and again. This is the indoor games area. Here, checkout time is 11 a.m. So if you book night Volvos, then you can keep your luggage and rest in this cloakroom. This is the presidential room. This is the washroom. There is a dryer which was of great help. It was very clean. Now let me show you the room. This is the wardrobe. There is a locker here, water heaters, a fridge. No, nothing is there. The room is quite spacious with a king-size bed and a comfortable sofa near the window. We were welcomed with soft drinks. Here, all the rooms are centrally heated. Still, they provided us with a room heater. I was so excited for the balcony view. So let's have a look out there. Can't explain my feelings when you wake up in this beautiful place looking forward to a beautiful day. So here we walk in this beautiful lawn. During winter, all this area gets snow covered I am in short of words to explain the beauty. In my next video, I'll share with you all the local sites to visit at Manali. Please do watch.